In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your data from ElevenLabs account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So to export your data is pretty simple. Log into your ElevenLabs account and then head over on top here to your profile and look for settings. From settings, scroll down and you should see download your data option. Here you can request a copy of your data for export. You are told you will receive an email when your export is ready for download. To request your data now, click on request data export here, and now the processing will begin. You are told you will receive an email when it's ready for download. Now the next thing you need to do is just to check your email. Once the data is ready, you can see it's here under my ElevenLabs. I'm told data export ready. Click on it and then download your data, and you can see it has come as a file here. So that's how you can export or download your data from ElevenLabs. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.